O, sige, lalakad na tayo. Okay, lalakad na tayo. Sleepy na yan. Sleepy ka na. Close your eyes para ka. Mababasag to dito sa ano. O, let's go. Mia. Alis na, babay na. Kila Papa. Babay pa. Doon o, si Papa Chris. Riding. Babay ka na na. Mia. Dito kasi magsulat sa papel. Ang galing ni Mia. Ito, nag-drawing niya na. Mia.
Bye, baby. I'm going. Happy birthday, Jan.
Salamat. Guys, kakahanap ng cold duck. Sabi, may kulang pa ako kasi nag-open ako ng account for my Mia. And then kulang ako ng ano. Napagod ako. Dito ako nag-stop over muna sa Shakey's. Couldn't help myself. Kailangan ko na kumain. Nahihilo na ako. So, yun na lang ulit. Mamaya na lang ulit. Brazilian go out. So, I don't know. I will see. So, yeah. Medyo maganda yung customer service. It's, I don't know, there's new mozzarella cheese sticks. There you go. And I tasted it, it's nice. I'm having a iced tea and still waiting for the rest of my order. Yeah, this is my shrimp, I don't know, Alfredo. But it's too much of herbs. The smell of it, I'm coughing already. I don't know. It's not just finished the lunch. Oh, naman.
Tagaligpit. Tagaligpit.
Hi! O, tayo ka na dyan. Hello, everybody.
Going to Century.
It's a rainy day. So, panaming Century. Di ba, Mia? Ate? Di ba, Mia? Hello.
We're in
Pwede na dito dapat ko. Okay lang yan, sige. Kanan ka na lang doon. Pwede na yun, kuya. Tapos papasok ka ulit doon. Labas ka dyan, tapos kanan. So, mamaya na ulit. Bye-bye, Mia. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Mia.
Hi.
Where are we? Where are we?
Century.
Okay. We're gonna buy SIM card for ate. And
She
Mia,
has a new phone
for several days, she's not able to go out because
day.
it's a rainy day. That's why she's happy today, right? Mia, look at mommy. Mia. Hi. What's wrong? Halika na. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, huwag magrara. Naulan, Mia. While waiting for the car. Oh, wag magraran. Dito ka lang. Magraran dyan. Okay. Oo. Doon ka kay Ate Memes. Doon kay Ate Memes.
Is that the one or not?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Mia. Oh, Mia, come here. Dali, my mama.